Copacabana Beach, a symbol of the charm and vitality of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, is one of the most attractive destinations in the world. With long stretches of fine sand, turquoise waters, and breathtaking views of the Serra do Mar mountain range in the background, Copacabana offers a very special experience for those who want to enjoy a vibrant and energetic atmosphere. Movement of this city. This location not only gives the beach a beautiful view of Rocky Mountains all year round, but also facilitates many tourist and recreational activities. Copacabana Beach has the advantage of being located near the city center, only about 10 kilometers southwest of Rio de Janeiro's night market center. This makes it an ideal destination for travelers looking to combine city exploration with relaxing time on the coast. The human environment at Copacabana reflects the complexity and diversity of Rio de Janeiro society. The area attracts a large number of visitors every year and is also home to many local communities. With a culturally and class-diverse population, Copacabana is a symbol of harmony and richness. At Copacabana Beach, the beauty of hot girls is an indispensable part of the landscape. With colorful bikinis, long hair blowing in the sea breeze, and tanned skin, they create a seductive and sexy image on the beach. Copacabana Beach is not only a popular tourist destination in Brazil, but also a symbol of this country in the world. Copacabana's attraction has created a series of positive effects on Brazil's tourism and the economy in general. Subscribe to our channel today so you don't miss any new videos and join us to explore the world through a unique and interesting perspective. Let's share our passion for travel and discover new things on our journey. Sign up now to become part of the wandering community and start your adventure now.